Hello everybody, I'm back. As promised, I am now going to open a box full of goodies that's been in the loft for some time. Can't remember exactly what's in here, but I'm going to do a little discovery video. Some things might be of interest. Well, first thing on the agenda is this little project. I've been meaning to do this for some time. This is an original Budgy Supercar. I'm quite sure I've got all of the pieces somewhere, but not entirely sure where. So at some point this needs to be restored. This is the one, I don't know if you remember, when I was in a previous video, I said I had as a kid and took to school one day, and one of my school friends said, what have you got there? And I said, oh, it's Supercar, it's indestructible. And he said, well, throw it at that wall then, which I did. And of course it broke into hundreds of pieces. I'm thinking about replicating this model. I'm pretty sure I got all the parts somewhere. So if you're interested in that or seeing a video on it, let me know. I'd forgotten all about this one. Lost in Space. Johnny Lightning, the robot. Let's get that in a good angle. Yeah, really good. Mint on card. Oh, and also, whilst we're looking at these things, Jupiter 2 miniature version. Once again, Johnny Lightning, mint on card. Right, there's a couple of Bond collectibles, Corgi, Toyota 2000 GT. The box is starting to show signs of wear, unfortunately, but we'll have a look at that one in another video. Oh yeah, this was Airfix model, James Bond, and Odd Job. Pretty sure I haven't even opened that one, so we'll be looking at that. Now these are quite interesting. What's in here? Oh, okay. Yeah. So this is Konami, and this particular one is no less than Thunderbird 2. In pieces, of course, which probably needs some attention, but does seem to be complete, so not too much of a problem there. Got another one, yet another Konami. This one is, let's see, yeah, Thunderbird 1 with stand. Again, we'll have a look at that one in more depth at a later stage. Put that to one side. Right, what else have we got in the box? So a couple of books, cross sections. Yeah, I think this would be of interest. Let me know, and I'll go through that one. Timeline chart of the world. Oh, one of my favourite pictures. This came with a David Cassidy LP years and years ago. It's called Pals. Really nice. And then, of course, well, we've got a few more bits and pieces here. Thunderbird 1 electronic playset. We'll look at that in more detail. Oh yeah. Okay, what have we got here? Oh yeah. Interesting. D-box. Thunderbird 3. and for some unknown reason, Mike Mercury, and various bits and pieces. I think that's part of, oh no, that's part of the Tarzan figures. Box full of Tarzan figures. We'll have a look at those in depth at some later stage. What else? Ah, yeah. Okay, the Spindrift. Let me see if I can focus on that. Come on. Yeah. Spindrift model. Part of the Budgy Supercar. There's an old Sopwith camel. Don't know how that happened to be in there. And of course, Thunderbird 2 playset, which again we'll open the box in a later video. Now, if there is anything that's of particular interest to any of you, let me know in the comments and I'll put it to the top of the list. Thanks once again for watching. Please like and subscribe because it really, really, really helps. There's a link in the description below where you can buy certain items. And also there's a link to my new website. It's a work in progress, but have a look at it, see what you think. Hopefully we're going to be putting some interesting stuff on there. But thanks again for watching. God bless.